So, starter one to go with chapter 7.4, just reviewing little bits from before. The first thing we're going to look at is a non-uniform plank, mass 50 kilograms, and it's going to be suspended by two strings, one with a tension at T, the other 3T. As it's non-uniform, and I want the distance to the centre of mass from A. Find distance of centre of mass from A. And we've also got at the end of this plank, it's not light, it's 50 kilograms, there's another mass, little mg, suspended on the end. So we need some distances on there. So that's going to be 5 meters. This is 2 meters. And at some point, x meters from A, the weight of the plank, 50 g newtons, acts downwards. We don't really need we can have the units on, it doesn't matter. 50 g newtons, and that'll be mg newtons. And the question says, show, find from A, showing x is equal to 750 minus 13m over 200. So we've got to show that. Okay, so usual approach. Let's take moments about A, because we want the distance from A. So the anti-clockwise moment will equal the clockwise moment about A. What's acting in those, you should have paused this, try this, and then go through it. Okay, so pause it, try it, and then you can check through the answer. So here we go, going through the answer. So we've got 3T acting in that direction. We've got causing us a turning effect, 50G causing a turning effect, and mg causing a turning effect. So in the anti-clockwise direction, we've got 3T, and its distance, its perpendicular distance to the line of action is 5, equals, in the clockwise direction, we've got 50G, and it is x meters, plus mg is the force, and its total distance is 7. The 5 plus the 2. So you've got the 5 and the 2 to make 7 there. So just be careful of that. Okay, so we want x. So x is equal to 15t minus 7mg over 50g. Well, that's not what we want. So we've got to get rid of this t here. So we've got to get rid of the t somehow. So I suggest that the next thing to do is to resolve vertically. And if we do that, we get 4t minus 50g minus mg equals 0, since equilibrium. Yeah, the 4t is coming from the t and the 3t added together. Okay, so we've got to eliminate t from our answer. So we've got 4t equals 50g plus mg. So t is equal to 50g over 4 plus m over 4g. Okay, if we substitute that in to 1, so if we sub in 1, we're going to get x equal 15 times 50g over 4 plus m over 4g minus 7mg all over 50g. Okay, let's cross our fingers a little bit and see what happens here. Hope we get the right answer come out. So, if we multiply this top and bottom by 4, we're going to get 15 times 50, which is 750g over 4 plus 15mg over 4 minus 28mg over 4 all over 50g. So if we tidy that up, we're going to have 750g over plus 15 minus 28 is minus 13. So minus 13 mg all over 4 all over 50g. So, if we just remember A over B over C is equal to A over BC, one of those useful little facts. So we